loves, good morning. Today is Monday. I am actually heading out for Monday meeting at work. I just rubbed sunscreen and it's making my skin look sweaty. Well, anyway, welcome to a new vlog. It's nice to see you guys. So I'm actually early today. This is the earliest I've ever been for a meeting this year. Let me just put it that way. And it was intentional. I woke up early, went for my morning walk, and yeah. So it's about 9:30 now and I'll be heading out. All right, guys. This is the fit for today. Simple dress, green bag. So yeah.
One, two, three, four, five.
Hi loves, good morning. Today is Tuesday. I'm actually going out. It's already 9 o'clock. I actually work with a real estate firm. I have to be at work. We're going to inspect some properties today and create content. So yeah, that's the tea. I'm already dressed. This is our dress code, white top, and yeah, just finished doing my hair. I'm about to head out. Let me reveal. Yeah, I'm already dressed. I just wanna get going now. I'm still carrying my green bag from yesterday, just packing stuff. These trips are always so stressful, you guys. I'm not joking. Carried my water bottle. Yeah. Hi loves, it's another day. I'm heading to the office. We actually have an outreach today, so this is 3 days in a row that I'm leaving my house. I hope I don't break down because what? Pray for me, guys. Let's go. I'm in the mood. There's a toothpaste section. Ask me for anything.
Do you remember how it all began? It just seemed like heaven, so I did it. And do you remember? I should be back.
Hi loves, good morning. I'm heading out for my morning walk right now. This is the fit. Yeah, let's go. Hi loves, today is Saturday and I'm actually heading out right now. I just took my second afternoon bath because the weather is so hot, and this is the period these people have decided not to give us light. And it hasn't been up to 2 hours since I had my last bath. I just had to take my bath again. I'm actually heading to work right now. I'm meeting up with my teammates. It's Saturday and I'm going to work, but don't worry, we have a beach hangout today. And yeah, I'm actually on time, shockingly. Already prepped my hair. I wanted to wear a long beach kind of dress, but the weather is too hot. I can't wear anything that is covering my arms or my legs. If you've noticed, I've been on crop tops a lot recently because the weather is actually so crazily hot. Again, I actually may end the vlog today. If you watch my last vlog, you see that I actually kept my promise this week and filmed a lot. So yeah, I can comfortably end the vlog today, Saturday, and then start a new vlog tomorrow. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Right, so yeah, let me finish up and get going because I don't want to be late. If I miss the bus at work, I'll have to go there by myself. And that would mean I won't go at all because it's kind of far and I would prefer to use the bus. So yeah, let's go to the beach each. Oh my god. Okay guys. Okay. Call me